Pak.
Jimmy, where we are going?
We are going to the grass jelly farm
Oh, yeah.
on the mountain top.
Jangan difoto bu lah, nu elak boy.
Berapa kilo bu? Berapa kilo bu? Ini mah
Hello, I'm Jimmy. Snowflake sourced our grass jelly leaf from Indonesia to make our delicious bouncy grass jelly. I'm now in the central Java region on top of the mountain. Look at the scenery around me. This is a beautiful valley and which is 700 meters above the sea level. We are now here because we want to visit where exactly we get our grass jelly leaf from. Now follow me to see how grass jelly leaf is harvested. Okay, coming all the way deep into this hidden valley is where we get our grass jelly leaf from. Take a look. This maroon color grass jelly branches, and this leaf is the secret of how our grass jelly is so bouncy because of which are all coming from the gels inside these leaves. And you can see there are two very hardworking farmers. They are now harvesting the grass jelly leaves. They will chop the branches very deep and leave all the branches on the ground for 3 days to dry. 4 months later, they will come back again and for another round of harvesting. This special grass jelly growing on this very steep terrain is how our grass jelly tastes so delicious.